how to download Twitch Wars videos clips full guide. So hello guys, in this tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. For that you need to simply open Twitch in your Chrome browser or any browser you have. After that you will simply click on top right corner small profile pic. Once you click on it, you will see channel creator dashboard. So you will simply click on that creator dashboard. Now on left side you will see Stream Manager Alerts and Latex Community Content. So we will simply click on Content. After that, we will simply click again on Video Producer. Once you click on Video Producer, after that, it will show video storage, highlights, upload. Here, when you stream something, it will show here a lot of videos or clips. When it shows, you need to simply click on 3 dots. It will be 3 dots with each video once you click on it. After that, you guys will see download option. Once you click on download, it will be downloaded to your laptop or phone etc. Thanks for watching.